beauties, welcome back to my channel today. So we've got a very exciting review. So PAC has come out with their new concealer, and that's the Take Cover Concealer, and they sent me a huge box of it consisting of 18 beautiful shades. Okay, when it comes to Pacman, these guys never fail to disappoint, because in comparison to all the other Indian brands, this brand is really inclusive when it comes to catering to deeper skin tones. Because for the deeper skin tone, you've got 6 beautiful shades, and let me just tell you, this one is the darker shade. I haven't seen a concealer in India being this dark. I'm talking from an Indian brand, not an international brand. So this is really a huge step. And their previous concealer, the Spotlight one, had around 14 concealers, and I really love that. Spotlight is one of my favorite. So if you're looking out for a full coverage concealer, check out the Spotlight. I have done a whole review on that. That has won my heart. So when it comes to Take Cover Concealer, I have high hopes on this. This is an everyday concealer, you guys. For people who do not like a full coverage, a buildable coverage, this is the one for you. The best part about this launch is also they have introduced color correctors. Now, color correctors as a trend is not something that I actually reach out for, because on an everyday basis, I do not color correct because I don't see the need to color correct on my skin. I usually reach out for a concealer most of the time that has got a little bit of that peachy tone, and it color corrects and it conceals at the same time. So it's not looking too cakey on my skin. But is color correcting important? It all depends on your individual need of the skin, okay? Because a lot of people get color correcting really wrong. Color correcting as a trend has been there for eons, you guys, much before it became such a huge trend with Instagram, and makeup artists used to follow this. They used to use that color correcting primer or the kind of powder to make sure that it diminishes your dark circles. And really professional makeup artists who have studied makeup, I'm not just talking about Instagram makeup artists, I'm talking about really professional ones who have gone and done their course. They used to follow the color wheel, and whatever used to be the opposites of that certain color was the one that will eradicate whatever problems that you have. It will color correct. So for example, if at all you have redness, the opposite of that red spectrum would be green, and that is why green is used to eradicate redness on the skin. What yellow concealers do is that they eradicate the purple tones in your skin. So many of us, if we get bruised up and we have that little bit of that purplish tinge, when the scars are fading, a yellow corrector really helps with that. For us dark skin girls, because our pimples or our zits and our marks have got that little bit of a black blue tinge to it, that is why orange concealers really work for us. If you've got too much of a yellow tone and you want a little bit of that brightness, then you put a purple concealer. So you just can't buy every color corrector and do it just like what you see on Instagram. And another trend that I see is they go very heavy handed with their color correctors. A little goes a long way, and you need to choose a concealer that will conceal. You cannot take a brightening concealer and apply it over your color corrector. You need to find a proper match when it comes to concealing. Most of the times I go for the color corrector, LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is one of my favorite, but I always felt that this is a little too pigmented. And what I love about the PAC color correctors, what they have done this time is they have made color correctors for each skin tone. So from fair to medium skin tone has a color corrector, and for the deeper skin tone has a color corrector. So for the fair to medium, for example, I would say that go for a pinky salmon pink tone concealer. Okay, it will look orange, but it's got a little more of that pinky peachy tone. Alright, that is the kind of concealer that we need to reach out for. Whereas for the deeper skin tone, they really need a rusty orange, that deep set orange. That will really color correct properly. Then they have a green concealer, which is universal, because if there's any redness, whether you're dark skin or fair skin, the green will eradicate that. And they also have got a yellow concealer for the fair to medium and for tan to deep. So that is fantastic. They have distributed the concealers really well, but from what I have noticed is the deep and the medium doesn't have too many warm tones. If you're a cool tone person, your veins would be purple blue, and if you are a warm tone person, it would be green olive. I've explained all of it in my previous video, how to choose a foundation online. It is better to find out under direct sunlight and see exactly what color is popping. And another way of finding out, which is slightly more easier, is that find out what kind of jewelry suits you. If gold jewelry suits you, then you are warm toned. If silver jewelry suits you, you're cool toned. And if both suits you, then hey, you're lucky, you are a neutral tone person. This is the Take Cover Concealer, okay, and it comes with a wand, and it reminds me so much of the LA Pro Conceal. Almost that same tube packaging, but the only difference is what I really loved about the pack one, it comes with a wand, you guys, because if any one of you have got the LA Pro Conceal, you know that it comes with a brush and you have to squeeze it out, and the moment a lot of it comes out, you know, it can be excessive and there's a lot of wastage because there's no way for it to go back in. You get 8 grams of it and you get about 6.8 grams over here with the Take Cover Concealer. Pro Conceal retails for 595 rupees and this one retails for 495 rupees, and there is a 10% off right now at NYKAA. Obviously, Pro Conceal is everyone's favorite. It's an everyday concealer, very light, but you have to go on with it 2 or 3 times to get that full coverage. Over here, you don't have to go on, though they say it's an everyday concealer, a buildable one. It has got a little more concealing power than the LA Pro Conceals. Alright, so now let's get started with the swatches. I'm going to show you light, medium and deep. I'm going to show you the cool and warm category. So the first one falls under the cool undertone, and that is Beat Sand 01, and the second one also under the cool category, and that is Barefoot. This is 02. So these two are the only 2 cool undertones. Again, in the light category comes the warm undertone. The first one is 03 Butterscotch. The second one is 04 Cream Buff. The third one is 05 Caramel Touch. And the last one is 06 Skinny Dip. So all this is from the light category. These 2 are cool and these 4 are warm. Alright, so now moving on to the medium category, we've got a lot more cool toned. We've got 4 cool toned in the medium category. Starting out with 07, that is Skin Tanned. The next one is 08 Stark Nude. The other one is 10, and that is Honey Drop. And the last one is 12, and that is Spice Sand. There are only 2 warm undertones for people with medium skin tone. The first one is 09 Classic Beige, and the other one is 11, not 10, 11 called Birthday Suit. Now the category that I'm most excited about, the deep skin category, the rich category, and we've got 4 cool undertones. Again, there are more cool undertones for the deep one than the warm undertones, alright? So the first one is number 13 Dusty Fawn. The second one is number 15 Desert Suede. The third one is number 16 Coffee Beans, and the last one is number 17 Baked Brown. Now these 2 are from the warm undertone, and this is number 14 Twisted Coffee, and the last one is number 18 Hot Cocoa. And isn't that beautiful? I haven't come across a concealer in India as deep and dark as this. Well done, pack. So these are the 2 color correctors. One is cream yellow, and this is meant for fair to medium, and the second one is banana split, which will suit medium to a very dark skin tone when it comes to color correcting. These are the orange color corrector, and for the light to medium they have made an orange, I would say like a salmon pink peachy corrector that is called Pumpkin. And the second orange corrector that they have is Rusty Orange, and this is mostly for the deeper skin tone. The green color corrector called Melon Green is the only one that has come with its own special box. No other brand in India has done this so far that has catered to every skin tone. This is amazing, pack. Like I said, I usually don't go for a color corrector, but I can see that I've got a little bit of that acne scars, just, you know, those brown dark spots, and I'm just going to use the light one, and that is Pumpkin. Because it comes in a wand, you can take off extra, and with color correctors a little goes a long way. Either you can use clean fingers while, you know, blending it, or a damp beauty sponge is perfect. Just spot it on like this. The pigmentation of a color corrector, especially an orange one, is quite strong, you know, to apply. And the same thing goes over here also. The one that is closest to my skin tone is Classic Beige, and I'm going to take just a little bit. Because of the slight thickness to it, it does not have that much of playtime. That's what I have noticed with this concealer. You have to first apply it on one side, work with it, okay, and then go on to the other side. It has blended really well. It feels also very hydrating. There's no dryness to it. I find a little bit of tackiness, in fact, to this concealer. Alright, so now let's go on with our foundation. I'm going to take the lightest shade, and that is Skinny Dip, and I'm going to brighten with this. See, immediately it has given me that brightening effect. It is slightly thick, and if you don't blend it well, it will look really tacky and cakey right on your skin. Alright, so that completes the makeup look. Now let's talk about the concealers. I really like the way that it blended. I like how it is slightly thicker than the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I like the fact that it comes with a wand. The only problem is there's not enough warm tones for the medium skin and deep skin. I think there is enough for the light skin. They should have balanced it out, okay? So if you are NC40 and you're going for a classic beige, then you don't have to buy a color corrector because it's got that right amount of peachy tone, as you can see. And also the playtime with this concealer is much less. I shall see you around 6 o'clock and give you my final verdict of this concealer. I hope it doesn't split, it doesn't get cakey, it doesn't get streaky. Alright, so I shall see you at 6 o'clock. Hey guys, so it's around 6 o'clock and I just thought I shall do a final check-in before I lose out on sunlight. Now, it hasn't creased at all, it has sat beautifully on my skin, it hasn't oxidized, so that's a great point. It's a lovely concealer, you guys. If you're looking out for an everyday light concealer, you know, that is not, that is something that you can build, though I feel that this has got a little more coverage than the LA Girl Pro Conceal. So I would give this an 8 out of 10, you guys. It's losing out on its mark because it has a tendency of drying, so you have to go on, the playtime to work on it is slightly less, so you have to do it one side at a time. So that's the only reason. And another reason actually is because they haven't balanced out the warm tones and cool tones equally. I wish there was equal warm tones than the cool tones, so that we would have a lot more to play around with. I'm talking about the medium skin as well as the deeper skin tone. If they did that, it would have just been a perfect everyday concealer. There is hydration to it, so whatever skin type you have, you can work along with it. It's not going to dry you out at all, okay, as long as you get the right undertone properly. It's just sitting really well. So for people who are looking for an everyday concealer, it's cheaper than the LA Pro Conceal. You finally got one. And PAC, I mean, they really do a great job with their base makeup. I love their foundation, I love their concealers, their translucent powders. They do makeup really well. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video and I made it really helpful for you to choose this concealer. Let me know whether you're going to buy this or the Spotlight. What is your favorite concealer? If you want to see me survive on this platform, because I'm always here to help you, please help me back by just hitting that red button, okay? I mean, what's stopping you? And I shall see you in my next one. Until later, bye for now.